Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting proof. Screenshot the content, copy the video link, and note the timestamp where the violation occurs. Once done, open the TikTok app and navigate directly to the offending video, comment, or profile so you don't lose context. Make sure to tap the share arrow or long press the item to reveal the report option. This immediate action preserves details and speeds the report process, while you prepare to describe what specific privacy rule was breached. Next, choose Report and select the privacy violation or harassment category because the platform routes those faster to safety reviewers. You'll type a concise description. Who, what, when, and where explain how privacy was breached and why it's sensitive. Attach your screenshots and paste the saved link. These attachments make the claim actionable. Once you finish, pick the outcome you want, such as removal or review, and submit. Keep calm and double-check attachments to avoid delays. Finally, watch notifications for the report outcome and note any reference ID they provide so you can follow up. If the response is delayed or inadequate, escalate through TikTok's Help Center or formal privacy contact points and include your original evidence and the reference ID. Preserve any new interactions or content that appears after reporting. If the breach risks serious harm or legal rights, make sure to consult counsel. This protects you and ensures the issue is addressed beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.